Hello guys! So ngayon nandito naman kami sa labas ng Flower Dome. So as what you can see, nakasakay kami dito sa parang mini jeep na to. So bahala na kayo kung anong tawag dito, basta yun na yun. And inavail namin itong outdoor audio tour sa Klook. So itong mini jeep na to is iikot ito sa buong paligid ng Flower Dome. Habang mayroong audio na nagsasalita dyan sa harapan na yan. So, ayan yung nakikita nyo na yan. Yung pinipindot ni ate. So, hindi na ako mag-voice over dito guys ha. Makinig na lang kayo dito sa ating audio tour.
Welcome on board the Garden Reserve. During your audio tour, you will see the main attractions of Bay South Garden. The area here is the Golden Garden. Take a closer look at the super trees and plants surrounding you. You will notice plants selected for their splendid gold-hued foliage and flowers. This is Singapore's latest horticultural wonder, a project that began with an international design competition in 2006 and opened in 2012. You are now in Bay South Garden, home of the spectacular super trees, much more. Towering in front is one of two food conservatories, the Cloud Forest. This cool, moist conservatory is 65 meters tall and home to one of Singapore's tallest indoor waterfalls. Look through its glass shell and you will notice elevated walkways winding round the man-made mountain inside. They are covered in mist every 2 hours, replicating the cool, moist climate of tropical high-elevation areas such as Mount Kinabalu. This controlled climate is perfect for growing unique plants on the man-made mountain. Approaching on your right is the Sun Pavilion. It houses a rich collection of cacti, the most recognizable plant family in the desert. Up the head is the Far East Organization Children's Garden, covering 1 hectare of undulating terrain. The nature-themed play area features a toddler's play zone, rainforest tree houses, and a water play experience. The Children's Garden is designed to inspire children of all ages to foster an affinity for nature, together with their families. You are now entering the waterfront walk, which connects Bay South to Bay East by Marina Barrage behind you. Across Marina Reservoir, you will see Bay East, the second of 3 gardens of Gardens by the Bay. Bay East is open 24 hours daily, offering a superb view of the city skyline along its waterfront promenade. Back here at Bay South, proudly fronting the Marina Reservoir, are its 2-star attractions, the Cloud Forest to your left and the Flower Dome up ahead. Marvels of architecture, their design is dictated by light. Look into the conservatories and you will see no pillars inside, as these cast shadows which limit plant growth. Instead, a grid shell is anchored by rows of external arches. This structure allows sunlight in any time of the day, which promotes plant photosynthesis. The giant grid shell supports these panels are treated to maximize sunlight penetration while keeping the heat out. To your left, the Flower Dome features plants from the 5 continents of bringing you into the dry climate of the Mediterranean and semi-arid subtropical regions. The air inside is specially cool and desiccated to match the climate these plants are native to, allowing them to thrive and burst into color. Some of the trees in the Flower Dome are remarkable specimens of nature, like the giant baobabs, also called overturned trees. Mediterranean olive trees survived a remarkable long passage of time. They are estimated to be about 1,000 years old. Bay South is gastronomic delights, and there are F&B outlets throughout the Also tucked away in this quiet corner is the Silver Garden, coming up ahead on your right. This rentable event space is named after the silvery colored plants growing on and around its 3 super trees. Look left into the distance ahead and you will notice another 3 super trees. Can you see a spout on top of one of them? Super trees have many functions, one of which is to expel hot air from the conservatories. Catch a glimpse of the Dragonfly Lake on the right. There is a 440-meter boardwalk beside to stroll or jog along. The Marina Reservoir and 2 lakes surround Bay South, providing irrigation for plants and a cool respite for visitors. The reed bed to your right acts as a natural eco-filter to cleanse water from rain runoff. The reeds help improve the lake's water quality by absorbing excess nitrogen and phosphorus. You are now entering the Heritage Gardens, which showcases the plants that occupy a special place in the history and culture of Singapore's main ethnic groups. Welcome to the Indian Garden. Can you spot the national tree of India here? It's right in the middle of the Indian Garden, the banyan tree, also called the Bengal fig. With its tangle of roots and branches, the banyan symbolizes eternal life for Hindus. Plants, and especially trees, have huge cultural and religious significance for the Indians. It's called a moon gate, a feature found in traditional Chinese gardens and represents a full moon. For the Chinese, a garden is a reproduction of the natural environment. That's why features like ponds and boulders are common in classical Chinese gardens. A rock represents a mountain and water stands for rivers and waterfalls. You are entering the Malay Garden, the third of the Heritage Gardens. The timber structure coming up on the right is an example of a traditional village residence known as a kampong house, used by the Malays, such as pandan and the breadfruit trees on your right. Check out the mighty super trees on the left. You will see the 22-meter-high OCBC Skyway suspended from the taller super tree. This aerial walkway offers a panoramic view of Bay South and the surrounding Marina Bay area. Vertical gardens of epiphytes and flowering climbers adorn the trunks of the super trees. At 7:45 and 8:45 every evening, the Super Tree Grove serves an audio-visual treat, the Garden Rhapsody, a spectacular light and sound show that will captivate your senses. The last of the Heritage Gardens is a horticultural representation of Singapore's colonial past. The frangipani, with its white flowers, were chosen to match the black and white houses of the early British planters in Singapore. Important cash crops they brought in the 1800s are featured here. To the right are the Brazilian rubber tree and African oil palm. You are now leaving the Heritage Gardens, one of the 2 themed gardens at Bay South. We hope you have enjoyed learning about Singapore culture and heritage through the plants you have just seen. You are approaching a stupendous white baby sculpture called Janet by British artist Mark Twain. Surroundings reflect the white theme of the colonial garden. It is the most significant of the many sculptures around the garden, which include water buffalo, horses, and dragonfly. Singapore's location on the equator bestows upon it perpetual summer and high rainfall, and rich flora and fauna. These are the threads that have been woven to create a city in nature. Gardens by the Bay epitomizes this vision through community.
Walang rice sa McDo.
Walang rice McDo nila, no?
Pero,
Okay dyan. Di,
ano ba?
ah,
Thank you.
we are watching you. Baby.
Ay, sorry. Pagod na house. Okay, pagod na ang house.
Bio, pang ano mo, Bio? Bi, mga kainan na doon, Bio.
10-14.
Saan? 10.40 na din. $1 lang.
Saan yung $1? Ate, kaya naman.
Oo.
Training.
10 piso isa. Piso. $1.
Yeah. Tako. Yes,
Bi, doon naman mga kainan naman doon, Bi. Ito mga souvenir.
Oo. Baka may gusto kong binigla, baka gusto kong bilhin yan.
Saan? Sa'yo yung bagay, Bi. Bigay mo kay Carla ba isa?
Ano, gusto mo yan?
Ito, Bi, bagay sa'yo, Bi, oh.
I put in cup at a lubong. Chocolate for you. One more time, my chocolate you like.
Bi, mga pampaswerte, Bi, oh.
Oo, nga.
Mga pampaswerte, Bi, oh. Bili ka sa pinto.
yarn.
B, oh. Alam mo ang swerte, B, yung pusa. Nag-aakit ng ano yan.
Uy, ang ganda nito. Oh, pwede ko.
3D. B, wala ka nang dala, yan lang.
Alam nyo ba guys, ang layo ng tinakbo namin para lang maabutan itong drone show nila. Pero yun nga, ang malas namin dahil hindi rin namin siya naabutan at sobrang daming tao dyan guys. Ang hirap makipagsiksikan.
Puro restaurant pala ito.
Nice.
Kaya na, lalayo pa tayo. Gusto na lang namin. Niluluto ko. Happy hour, 141.
Saan? Before 8 p.m.
Inuman pala to. Ayun, babi, sarap dito. No?
Oo nga. B, oh.
Putang ano yan. Dami palang kainan dito.
O, B, ito rin yung isa sana sa ano ko, B, o ibubuk, o, Hotel Calmo. Yan, o.